Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to explain my two trades that I took on US 100 by using ICT concept. If you watch my previous video, I explained that I took trade from 10th April till 17. I took 4 trades. 2 trades I explained my previous video, and the remaining one I will going to explain in this video using ICT concept with mechanical setup. So after you watch this video, you will also know how you can approach the market mechanically, technically by on this choppy area where you can see the price is still in between higher high and the higher low. Okay, so in that area how you can approach by using higher time frame, it will also clear the concept of daily bias and the ICT 22 model or whatever. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, I will go to weekly, and as on previous video I told you, this was my weekly high time frame where we have the volume imbalance. Okay, and price on this specific week price closed, and then it was a huge gap, and then price run to this volume imbalance. From there I see a rejection, right? Once we see the rejection, so we anticipate as a day trader that price will give us a good reaction from this volume imbalance. Okay, as also explained you in the previous video. As you can see, we have, if we come to 4-hour time frame or if we come to daily time frame, you will see also we have an order block. Perfect, right? So from here we have this key area. Now whenever price, until it does not close above this body, we are bearish, right? So we only trade lower prices if we found anything in this area, right? So if we go to 4-hour, we have also a fair value gap with order block which are coming from another breaker. Okay, so previous videos I explained you 1 and 2 trades. In this I will give you 3 and 4th. All right, so let's go to 1-hour time frame, and which I took trade number 1 on 15th. Okay, by if you are watching the if you also watch the previous video, for you this will be a third trade. If you are new here, it will be your first trade maybe. So this is the 15th April and 17th. I didn't take a trade on 16. Okay, I will also show you the real executions on my instant funding account. Okay, so what is the reason behind why I took the trade, even it's look like a very consolidating area? Okay, as you know, in my Telegram channel previously I will explain my strategy. I give you signals. Okay, so on the base of that, and also that is because that my strategy also come from ICT concept. So here we have a double engulfing candles. Okay, a order block where our already we respected and but didn't close below that one, right? So my anticipation is that as a SMC trader, smart money concept trader, I also want to see this type of thing in a kill zone hours, right? You see it's kill zone hours, and after that you also see this CRT, the first candle, a second candle which took this, and the third candle up to here. Okay, if you see my previous videos, I also explained the types of CRT models. So here you see 1 2 3, after 4 candle is took the low of the first candle, right? So these also the technical mechanical strategy of ICT and the Romeo. Okay, so which are also the confluence of my trade. So let's go to 5 minute or 1 minute. Let me show you in here in 1 minute, because in 5 minutes it's only 2 candles on the 15th April. So you will say, what you did, sir, why you did not explain clearly? So here once price reach to that area, as you know, in the previous video I told you I trade from after 9. Okay, I can took the trade, but my bias was the bearish, so that's why I didn't touch anything on this price action. As you can see, it's also beautiful. It's a breaker block, fair value gap, it's reaching 1 to 2. You can easily achieve, but if you have narratives that also bias with you, so you also wait for your setup. So here basically once is take out, right? If you see exactly here, okay, and then it induced many people here as a, if they are newbie of ICT traders, okay, the market structure shift, okay, because we don't have any here fair value gap, so we didn't take that trade here, right? So here what you can see, we have a beautiful closing below of this candle, okay. So it's become our change in the state of delivery, okay. And once is I see the rejection, I took trade from here and till this low or 1 to 2 risk to reward, okay. I don't want to have to be worried about for this low or it will go further below that. I don't care about that. If my 1 to 2 is hit, that's all, okay. So as you can see, it's even if you didn't take trade from here because it's still early, you can take later on. Price is consolidating and PM session you can took the trade till the liquidity, okay. This 22 model, right? ICT, many people say now ICT or blah blah is not working. No bro, you are not seeing the things on the right time. What is that time? 10 a.m. right? Price is reaching your on the macros time, and also you see these run on the macro time. If you see it's run on the macro time, it's happen on also on macro times, right? So always watch the price on the kill zone hours and also use multiple confluences, CRT, daily bias, or kill our macros times, okay. So it will make you more and more high win rate. It give you more and more high win rate once you include multiple confluences, okay. Not 1 or 2 confluences make your setup A plus, okay. So let me show you this example. In 5 minutes it will look like this. Start from here, exit from here, right, in this same candle, okay. Because why I exit here, because I thought, as you can see, it's market structure shift. We have here the fair value gap, right? We have inversion which got disrespected. If you see here, this is the fair value gap which disrespected here. And then what happened, once price here is also give a reaction from here, isn't it? It's give the reaction, right? So it's mean ICT, either ICT, all concept is working, okay. Even in the bearish scenario, this bullish setup also give you 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 risk to reward if you go with proper channel or in the 1 minute time frame, right? So now let's go to the second trade. We will always go a higher time frame and you will understand what is that, okay. So here what happened, this was the previous trade. Now we are in the bearish trend, okay. Market on the day of 16th April, market took like this, okay. Market structure shift, sorry, the break of structure from downside, so we are still bearish, okay. So now after it's completed this break of structure to the down, now we will wait for price to reach in the premium area to sell, right? So if you see here, it's also in OTE level, right? It's in premium area to sell. And what is the confluences as per the that I took trade? This was the huge blow on the previous day London, sorry, and then the price is showing here bullish fair value gap that become inverse on the next day. In the London it's respected, so I anticipate that it will go further below the price, so I took trade exactly here. I will show you here, okay. I took exactly trade here on after my kill zone hours open, right? I see here market structure shift, and this is the news candle, sorry, it's 8 o'clock, okay, when it's opening, price go above, when it's come down, close below it. I confirm that now price should not go above of this week, right? So what now I am finding here, only any setup, any my ICT setup that will support me to enter the sell trade. So here it was, I took trade from exactly on this time and target my 1 to 2 risk to reward, right? I will also show you the execution on my instant funding account. So here you can see enter from here, exit from here. Here was my stop loss 88, 160, almost 1 to 2 was there, and beautifully. Okay, so these how you can approach the market. These also 22 model. Also, if you go to 4-hour time frame, you will also see here a CRT. First candle, second candle make it sweep, and the third candle liquidity. Okay, now you understand. And here it was your order block, and it's reach above your consequent approachment 0.75 level, and from there you start planning for sell. So everything with a confluence. Okay, always there will be a something there that support your trade idea. You are going to sell it or you are going to buy it. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. By the way, if you don't have any instant funding account, I will give you the link in the description. I have this instant funding account where you don't have to pass any evaluation or any phase. So it will be very cheap by instant funding only. No, you have to pass any account or anything. So by $200 you will get a 50k account, and their payout also fast. I am promoting this because they pay out me. So until next time, be safe. Link will be in the description for my Telegram for this instant funding prop firm. Best of luck.